Very recently, I went to the Shirdi, right? Yesterday only I came back. We went by train because my village people came, my relatives, my family, total almost 40 members. We went. Earlier, do you know in the train, there are some tickets will come in the B1, some tickets will come in B2, some tickets will come in S4, S5 like. Every time what we require to do is open and then B1 how many, B2 how many. If they are available in the sorted form, then it will be the good. Okay, like we have to write manually Excel sheet. I have to prepare Excel sheet so that B1 these four, B2 these six, B3 these seven. Something like we have to allocate how much almost half an hour time my admin is the responsible for doing preparing that Excel, ascending order, block wise. This time what I did is I gave all ticket soft copies to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT, can you create Excel form? Okay. Coach, berth number, followed by name. Next, okay, but position, lower or upper side, lower, something like that. Can you please create one Excel form, ascending order, or descending order, in a particular order wise? Just believe me, matter of just 20 or 30 seconds, one beautiful Excel sheet is ready. Take the printout and just two or three copies and just in so and so coach, which seats or which beds are ours. Like just our life got simplified like anything, man. Colorful, colorful sheet. So prepared by ChatGPT. Are you getting right? Just ask my admin is saying from top to bottom like this. Array, you man, send the soft copies like that is the beauty, man. Okay. So I'm telling for you people, highly recommended for you people what I'm trying to tell. So just do you know for our day-to-day life also, highly recommended to use these AI tools to simplify your life. For everything, first question can I ask AI or not? If AI can do that, then your effort, your time, you are going to protect, you are going to save your time. You can protect your energy. So, getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, recommended, highly recommended. Better to use ChatGPT, AI tools, Claude for your day-to-day activities. That thing is the most important, dosto. Okay, just have a look once. How beautifully it created. Okay, these are the tickets, man. I hope you people are in a position to see. These are the tickets. These are the tickets. All these are tickets. Open each and every ticket and arranging. Okay, coach wise. It's always a bigger problem. Just I give all these PDFs to the ChatGPT. Create one Excel file like Hyderabad to Nagarsoil. Nagarsoil is the Shirdi place. Have you observed right? How beautiful. Okay, Excel sheet is ready. Yes. Here have you observed right? So just yeah. So lower next name next. So like complete information by default. Take the printout, and then just so that our life at runtime will become very easy for us. Okay, same Nagarsoil to Hyderabad like. So we are not required to prepare. We are not required to do the activity manually. Of course, ChatGPT is the responsible. AI tools are responsible for doing our activity so that we can save our time, we can protect our energy. Getting right? For your day-to-day activities, for anything, ask ChatGPT or ask a cloud. Okay, this is my requirement. How I can do this activity in easy way. How I can do this activity in simpler way, simple way, and easy way with less efforts. How I can do this activity. Like you can ask ChatGPT. Oh, all your regular day-to-day activities are going to be simplified like anything, man.